Yeah, 11 years ago, I had just graduated from aesthetic school, and I was working at a salon as a booth renter. And a young lady, I had never met her, didn't know her. I was fresh out of school. Mind you, she booked me for a Brazilian. Mind you, we did not learn Brazilians in school. We weren't even allowed to do Brazilians, which is a common thing for a lot of schools. We didn't do Brazilians. We didn't learn them. We did. So, you guys, believe it or not, I am self-taught when it comes to doing Brazilians. I taught myself. So, hold on, y'all. I'm trying to plug in my, hold on. Let me do this real quick. So, I had to teach myself how to do Brazilians when I got to school. So, when this girl booked me for a Brazilian, I was very new. Very new. Didn't really know, like, the do's and don'ts, what to tell the client how to prepare. And she came, she had just waxed herself. Like, I think she might have said about a week prior, even it might have been 3 days prior. Literally, I'm not waxed. She just shaved. So it was stubble. I didn't really know how to, like, I didn't know how to advocate for myself in my business at the time. Like, even though I didn't feel comfortable waxing her with that short of a hair, I still attempted to do it. And she had it was the most horrible, traumatizing experience for her and me. Like, y'all, it was bad. So from that point on, I had vowed that I would never take a client who had just shaved. Well, today a young lady come in and she was like, your website said that the hair needs to be, I'm going to go look at that because I can't believe I have this on my booking site. I'm going to delete that. It said that the hair needed to be about 10 to 14 days worth of hair growth. And she showed me. I'm like, why would I put that on my website? So because she got here and I feel more confident in my skill level, I went ahead and took her anyways. Y'all, I got all those hairs. Let me show y'all the wax I use now. This is the wax. I've been doing this for 11 years. I've tried so many different waxes. The wax that I've been using, and it's going to be my permanent wax here at the beauty spa, is Sexy Smooth Wax. And I've been trying their Tickle Me Pink wax. This is a really good wax. It's a hard wax. It's resin free. Let me show you guys the wax. Hold on. I'm trying to use the rest of this so I can clean this wax pot out. But you guys, this is a really good wax. I'm at the bottom, but y'all, this wax is the truth, okay? And I'm not just saying that. If you go to my main account, my original account, you guys seen that I've done a lot of reviews for this brand just because they just asked me to, and they're all honest reviews. I tried a purple seduction wax. Y'all, this wax is the truth. And I have a feeling that this wax is about to blow up in the aesthetic community. I do have a discount code for anybody who wants to try the wax. I gotta go look it up. I'll have it in the comment section, in the description. I'm sorry, in my caption. I'll have the discount code. But if I got somebody who's willing to let me record them, I will record a service. It's really tricky because the last time I recorded me doing a Brazilian wax, even though everything was covered up, my main account got flagged, and reason why I'm in some type of shadow ban to this day over there on Tiff. But yeah, this wax is really amazing, you guys. I wish this wax was around when I first got out of school, okay? I think I was using Serapil. But anyways, I just wanted to share that little bit of thing. It just made me happy today.